Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing devices. Make sure your Nest Hub Max and your phone share the same Google account so services can link automatically. Once done, open Google Home and sign in if needed. Then install Google Duo on the phone and grant camera, microphone, and location permissions so pairing works. You do this first because the Hub pulls contact and call permissions from your phone. Without those permissions, the Duo call route won't appear. Start the linking process in Google Home now. Next, you link the phone-based Duo service to the Hub. Open Google Home, tap your Nest Hub Max, then go to Device Settings and choose Video Calling or Duo. Follow the in-app prompts to link accounts. Make sure you accept contact and caller ID access when prompted so the Hub can place and receive calls using your contacts. Once linked, set Duo as the default calling app if offered. This ensures calls route through Duo rather than other services and prevents confusion later. Finish by testing. Place a Duo call to your Nest Hub Max or call from the Hub to a contact. Listen and look for both audio and video. This verifies permissions and network. If the Hub fails to show video, restart the Hub, reauthorize Duo in Google Home and on your phone, then retry the link flow. Most problems are permission or network related. Make sure the camera privacy shutter is open, firmware and apps are updated, and your Wi-Fi is stable. Then test again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.